guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can use PlayStation app on your PC. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So what you need to do is simply go ahead and open up any web browser that you would like to use. I'm using Google Chrome for this video. Just go to open it up like this. Once you open it up, so there are many emulators that you could use to run PlayStation app, as there is no direct version for it that you could directly use. So what you can do is simply type in BlueStacks PlayStation apps. Go ahead and press on that and press on the first website. And here, as you can see, it shows the app directly. So what you can do, and right over here, is just give a pure instruction of how you can download it. First, download and install BlueStack on your PC or Mac. So you just gotta press on this option right over here. Once you press on it, you just need to install and then connect your Google sign-in access. Once you do this, not after that, you just gotta look for PlayStation app in the search and then press on install. It's pretty simple. And then complete your Google sign-in. And after that, just click on the PlayStation app and you can just simply run it. And yeah, this is simply it. You can just directly run the PlayStation app by just simply downloading BlueStacks like this if you press on it. So yeah, I hope this tutorial really helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.